Snoring like a little baby. He's a little baby. Snores like an old man. Oh, his girlfriend didn't find out about this. Must be an Italian thing.